Hello everyone, today is December 10, 2021. Today I will introduce you to our flat 141 plus packing machine and protective cover. That rate is 130到160 tablets per minute. The whole machine uses 9 servo motors and 6 stepper motors, 3 ultrasounds. Then first we'll come see us, a packaged finished product. This is a sample of a finished product in a pack of 10. Then he has the effect of spraying the date and code. You can see that he is using. When you want to pack, he used a foldable device. Then next, we'll see one of our wearing effects. Then we can test the tension of this earband. It is a stretch enough for daily use. Then I will introduce the details of our mask machine to you. First, we will take a look at the appearance of the machine then as a whole. His packaging machine is placed horizontally if like the client wants. It can also be supported vertically. Then we can see we have a safety cover installed. This looks like the machine will be more high-end. At the same time, for some foreign clients he will feel more secure. That side is part of a rack. We put a 3-layer shelf here. If the customer needs, we can add another layer, 4 layers. The 3 layers of fabric are placed on top of one. The lower part is to put the corrector. The button that manually controls the tension. Then this is one of our manual inflatable shafts. The inflation shaft is mainly used to fix the position of a cloth. That's a rack for the tray. From this section to the end of this section, the whole is a folded part. What about here is part of one of our nose bridge groups. The nose bridge strips are fed from here, and here is a cutter for the bridge of the nose. That's a 4-axis structure. So this is one of our printed tooth films. The tooth membrane uses A20K2600W ultrasonic. Then this is a cutter for our masks. These two are one of our guide wheels. This is for tighten the fabric. That adjustment mask, a part of the puncture is through this button to adjust. There is a bridge device. If the customer needs to weld the we can add a flip here. Here is one of our welding ear strap mechanisms. The welding ear here uses 9 servo motors and 6 stepper motors. Then let's take a look at one of their use cases. So this is one of our cold folded ear devices. It mainly pushes the ear pockets in. So this is a part of our welding head. We can customize this welding head. Currently our standard is rectangular. Over there, these 2 stepper motors are used to put the ear cords. Then the scissors also use a step-by-step structure. It is mainly a scissors used to control the ear back cord. Then the discharge port here also uses a stepper motor. It is mainly used to push down the finished mask. The two ultrasonic waves used by the welding air mechanism here are both 20K2600W. Then we can see this static bar. The function of the static bar is to eliminate the static electricity of the mask in order to achieve a stacking effect. For example, some pieces of 10 pieces will be very beautiful when stacked. Then we need to use such a static bar. We must install two electrostatic rods. One piece is installed in one outlet of the mask. One is an outlet completed in the air pocket. There are also 5 buttons here. It's to control some functions. The adjustment of the main airbag system is adjusted with some parameters of this display. Take a look. Here's a look at our electrical box. Then there are 9 servos here. Here is the stepper drive. That's the structure of our bus. Below we will take a look at our packaging machines. Then this is one of our Sun servo exhaust packing machines. Finished masks will be unloaded from this place. That place. This part will be entered after the material is unloaded. This part is a wood germicidal lamp. Then its main function is to sterilize the mask. After that, by killing the UV germicidal lamp, it will come to one of our packed areas. Here's one of our heat shrinks. Let him see. Then this screen is used to adjust the parameters of the packaging machine. The packaging of the finished product will be unloaded from here. We see this is the effect of a pack of 10. The air pockets are very neatly folded inside. Then this one has a date coder installed. Let's look at ultrasound again. Then here are the two ultrasonic waves of the airband welding machine. That's it for the whole introduction. Thank you.